Do you have tight shoulders, tight forearms, or tight wrists? Do you suffer from rotator cuff injuries that haven't quite healed themselves? I'm Nikki Corona from Corona Rolfing. I'm a certified advanced Rolfer and a Rolf movement therapist. I have a technique that can be accomplished in as little as 3 to 4 minutes a day that can help you alleviate a lot of those symptoms and many more. Let's get started. What you do is you sit in a chair that's flat and has no back. You put your feet against the wall and you make sure you're close enough to the wall that you have a 90-degree bend in your knees and a 90-degree bend in your hips. You're going to put your hands on the wall and you're thinking about putting everything in 90-degree bends as well. My wrists have a 90-degree bend, my shoulder to my rib cage has a 90-degree bend. And you also space your hands just the right distance apart to where your chest to arm relationship is also a 90-degree bend. So you don't want your hands too wide and you don't want them too narrow. Everything is in 90 degrees. Then what you do is you lock your elbows. As you lock your elbows, you let your chest lean forward and up, actually. You're thinking about trying to let your heart fall into the space between your hands. And if you look at this relationship, my hands are just a tad above my heart. So the direction I'm falling is forward and up. Forward and down looks like this, and that is not ideal. You're not going to get the stretch that we're looking for. Forward and up is the direction that you go. And sitting on the wall like this and doing this for 30 to 40 seconds is a great stretch. When you're ready, you slowly do a push-up. As you do the push-up, you're thinking about letting your hands really bond and connect with the wall. They're slowly getting deeper into the wall. You're feeling the room beyond the wall. You're feeling the texture of the paint. Really keep your awareness in your hands. When you get close to the wall and you're ready to push away, you're thinking about pushing your hands deeper into the wall. You're not thinking about pushing your body away. You're thinking about letting your hands connect deeper into the wall. Feel the space beyond the paint in the middle of the wall. When you get your wrists straight, you do the same thing you did when you began. You let your chest fall forward and up to the space between your hands. You'll feel this really pulling your whole shoulder girdle off of the back of your ribs. If you're really aware, you can feel it opening up your lungs. When you've sat like this for a couple seconds, you let your hands fall and swing. When they not naturally stop swinging, you're done. You'll feel the blood rush to your fingertips. You'll really feel that this is giving you a good stretch. Thank you for watching Hands on the Wall. If you have any questions or comment, please list them below in the comment section. This is Nikki Corona from Corona Rolfing in Costa Mesa, California.